Hey guys, it's the Hardy Hunter. Welcome back. And this is the continuing series of box break openings for Topps Star Wars Series 2 trading cards. And as usual, we are hunting for Ingrid Hardy Sketches, but we will take anything, right? The last box we opened, we had 3 hits. Let's see if we can continue that record. Let's get started. Let's dig right into this thing. Start at the top and work our way down. I like to open these things backwards, so just a reminder on that. And what do we got? Nothing there. Last time we got into these packs, got an auto, and then we kept going, and we got one of those classics, Ray, limited to 100, and then of course a medallion, so that was a really nice set. Let's see if we continue that luck today. Nothing there. Nothing there. Keep going. Nope. So how many Ingrid Hardy Sketches have I ever found opening packs? Actually just one. But the other ones I've had to buy. But that's okay. It's still a lot of fun, right? Keep going. So far, nothing. I usually try to identify the medallions, and if I can get to them before I open them, I save those for last, but I don't always identify them. And nothing there. Nothing. And we're about halfway through the box. Still nothing. Nope. And nothing there. We're definitely over halfway through the box. Nothing there. And nothing in that one. So I haven't come across a medallion either. Oh, I think we got something here. Oh, we got a Finn card. That's pretty exciting. You guys ready for me to flip it? Here we go. Ah, fin. Sweet. It's pretty cool, guys. Look, it's numbered. Number 7 of 10. Fin number 7 of 10. Wow, that's pretty exciting. That is one of my better auto finds. Check that out, guys. John Boyega, 7 of 10 fin. Pretty cool. That's a great auto. All right. Thank you, Tops. Let's keep going. Let's see what we got. Nothing here. So, oh, that feels a little thicker. That could be the medallion. Let's just clean the rest of these out real quick. See if this ends up being a 3-hitter or not. How many 3-hit boxes have I ever opened? 3, actually. And I've opened a lot of boxes. Or at least 3 Force Awakens Series 2. Alright, just a few more, guys. Pretty excited about that fin. Nothing there. 3 more. Nothing. I'm not really expecting anything, but I like to check, right? See what we got here. One more. And then we'll get into the medallion. And that's it. Okay, let's check out the medallion. Last box we opened, we had a gold. See if we're that lucky today. Alright. Survey says it's number 15. BB-8. Looks like we got a bronze BB-8. Well, that's cool. Alright, so what did we get today, guys? We got 2 hits. We got our fin, number 7 of 10. You can see it right there. And then a bronze BB-8. No Ingrid Hardy's, but pretty good set. We're pretty excited. We're gonna do one more box today, so hang tight, and should be uploading 2 videos later today. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and this is the Hardy Hunter. I'm out. Bye.